Welcome everyone. Today we cover a common but overlooked hazard, the tingly or painful shock you feel when touching a metal laptop body. We will trace exactly why it happens, how to measure it, and how to fix it permanently. When you feel a tingle, you are completing a circuit for stray AC current from the power supply's Y capacitors. Without a proper 3-pin grounded outlet, this leakage current has nowhere to go but through your body. The safe limit is under 0.5 milliamps. There are 3 root causes: faulty outlet wiring, using a 2-pin adapter with no earth ground, or a failed power supply unit. In all cases, the grounding path is broken. You must identify and fix the cause, as current over 3.5 milliamperes can be dangerous. Use a multimeter to diagnose the issue. First, check AC voltage. Anything above 50 volts AC means no ground path. Then, switch to milliamps mode. Readings above 3.5 milliamperes are dangerous and indicate PSU insulation failure, requiring immediate replacement. A complete grounding chain provides a safe, low-resistance path for leakage current, bypassing you. A floating neutral breaks this chain, making you the path to ground. This can result in the chassis floating at 50 to 110 volts AC, which is dangerous. Step 1. Test your outlet with a socket tester. Step 2. Ensure you use an OEM 3-pin grounded adapter, matching your laptop's voltage and wattage. Step 3. If the shock persists, measure the PSU leakage and replace it if it exceeds 3.5 milliamperes. Always unplug the laptop before working on it. Key takeaways include using a multimeter, staying under the 0.5 milliampere safety limit, and never using 2-pin adapters. Use the pre-use safety checklist to ensure your outlet is properly wired, your adapter is certified, and the leakage is safe. Every shock is preventable. Remember, ground equals safety, no ground equals risk. The fix is usually simple, but delaying it is always dangerous. Measure, trace, fix, and verify to ensure safety.